Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the best tools and equipment to keep your home and vehicle cooling systems in top shape. Today, we're uncovering the 7 best AC recharge kits that promise efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, finding the right kit can be a game changer in maintaining an optimal cooling environment. We've tested and analyzed the top contenders in the market to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Number 1. XtremepowerUS 3CFM Vacuum Pump HVAC Kit stands out for its robust design and exceptional quality. Crafted for both beginners and professionals, this kit includes a high-performance vacuum pump alongside a comprehensive set of accessories for HVAC system maintenance. The vacuum pump, with its 3CFM flow rate, ensures a swift and efficient evacuation of refrigerants, making it a reliable tool for AC recharge tasks. The kit's durability is noteworthy, thanks to its heavy-duty construction and materials that promise longevity even with regular use. Users will appreciate the intuitive design that simplifies the connection to various AC systems, making it a versatile choice for different models and makes. The inclusion of detailed instructions and a carrying case further enhances its usability, ensuring that all necessary tools are organized and accessible. Effectiveness is another area where the XtremepowerUS kit excels. Its capability to achieve a deep vacuum rapidly not only saves time, but also ensures a thorough evacuation, essential for the proper recharge of AC systems. The gauge set included is precise and easy to read, providing accurate measurements that are critical for efficient system maintenance. Number 2. Auto AC Repair Toolkit, with its 3.5 CFM vacuum pump, is designed to cater to those who seek a blend of power and precision in their maintenance toolkit. This kit shines in its ability to quickly and effectively remove moisture and air from AC systems, which is crucial for preventing corrosion and ensuring the longevity of the system. Quality is a cornerstone of this kit, with every component engineered to withstand the rigors of frequent use without compromising on performance. The vacuum pump is robust, and the toolset includes various adapters and hoses, making it adaptable to a wide range of vehicle models. This adaptability, combined with high-quality materials, makes it a valuable investment for both DIYers and professional technicians. In terms of usability, the kit is designed with the user in mind. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the detailed manual provides clear instructions for users of all levels of expertise. The kit's effectiveness is amplified by its comprehensive gauge set, which offers precise readings that are essential for accurate AC system diagnosis and recharge. Number 3. Orion Motortech's AC Gauge Set is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and precision. This set is specifically designed for those who already have a vacuum pump but need reliable, accurate gauges for system testing and recharge. The gauges are calibrated for accuracy, ensuring that technicians can trust the readings during the critical charging process. The design and quality of this gauge set are top-notch, with a heavy-duty casing that protects the delicate components from wear and tear. The readability of the gauges is enhanced by the clear, well-marked dials and the color-coded hoses, which simplify the connection process to the AC system. This set is not only durable, but also offers the versatility needed to work with a variety of refrigerants. Usability is another strong point for the Orion Motortech AC Gauge Set. It comes with a detailed instruction manual that guides users through the setup and usage processes, making it accessible to novices while still being a powerful tool for experienced technicians. The effectiveness of this set lies in its precision and reliability, enabling accurate monitoring and adjustment of the AC system's refrigerant levels. Number 4. Kozyvacu Mini Split AC Repair Kit is a powerhouse designed for mini-split systems, but versatile enough for other types of AC maintenance tasks. With a 4.5 CFM vacuum pump, it stands out for its efficiency in creating a deep vacuum, crucial for the dehydration and evacuation of the AC system. The design of the Kozyvacu kit emphasizes durability and functionality. The vacuum pump is constructed with high-quality materials that ensure longevity, while the comprehensive kit includes all necessary fittings and adapters for a wide range of AC systems. Its compact size does not compromise on power, making it an excellent choice for those with limited storage space. In terms of usability, this kit is user-friendly, with straightforward instructions and a design that caters to both beginners and professionals. The gauge set included is intuitive and provides clear, accurate readings, essential for precise AC system maintenance. The durability and design of the tools in this kit ensure they can withstand the demands of regular use, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking to maintain or repair mini-split AC systems. Number 5. AC Pro Car AC Synthetic R134. A recharge kit stands out in the world of car maintenance. This kit is not just a tool, it's your best ally against the sweltering heat of summer. Designed for ease of use, its intuitive interface is perfect for both novices and seasoned mechanics. The kit includes a reusable charging hose and gauge for accurately measuring pressure, ensuring that your AC system is recharged to perfection. In terms of quality and durability, the AC Pro Kit is manufactured with top-grade materials. Its synthetic R134, a refrigerant, is known for its effectiveness in delivering a cooler, more comfortable vehicle interior. Beyond just cooling, this product also includes a sealant that helps prevent common leaks, addressing a frequent issue in AC maintenance. The kit's design emphasizes safety and efficiency. With its straightforward instructions, users can recharge their AC system without the need for costly professional services. The inclusion of a temperature dial on the gauge allows for real-time monitoring, making the recharge process both precise and user-friendly. Truly, the AC Pro Kit exemplifies how modern technology can simplify auto care. Number 6. Robinair RG3 Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine, a game-changer in refrigerant recovery. This machine is the epitome of efficiency, designed to service both commercial and residential air conditioning systems with unmatched speed and reliability. Its compact design does not compromise on power. The RG3 is capable of recovering all commonly used refrigerants, making it a versatile tool for professionals. The Robinair RG3 is built to last. Its rugged construction ensures durability, even in the most demanding environments. The machine operates quietly and is remarkably easy to carry, thanks to its lightweight design. This portability is a significant advantage for HVAC technicians who frequently move between job sites. Feature-wise, the RG3 doesn't disappoint. It includes an oilless compressor that facilitates the recovery of refrigerant without contamination. The machine's high-efficiency cross-flow design ensures that the recovery process is not only fast but also environmentally friendly. With the Robinair RG3, technicians can perform their tasks more efficiently, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Finally, number 7. Honeywell R1234 Refrigerant and Can Tap Kit. This kit is tailored for newer vehicles that require R1234 refrigerant, a more environmentally friendly option that's becoming the standard in car air conditioning systems. The kit's straightforward design allows for easy use, making it accessible to both professionals and DIY car enthusiasts. Quality is at the forefront of this product. The refrigerant included is of the highest purity, ensuring your AC system operates efficiently without harming the environment. The Can Tap is equally impressive, engineered for precision and durability. It's designed to fit all R1234 cans, making the recharge process seamless and leak-free. The Honeywell kit is not just about functionality, it's also about sustainability. The use of R1234 refrigerant reflects a commitment to reducing global warming potential without sacrificing performance. With this kit, users can expect their car's ACs perform at its best, providing cool, refreshing air on the hottest days while contributing to a healthier planet. That wraps up our deep dive into the 7 best AC recharge kits on the market. From robust designs to precision engineering, each kit offers a unique set of features tailored to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Remember, the right tools not only make the job easier, but also ensure your cooling system runs efficiently for years to come.